All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, yes, this is a big mess, but I just want to throw up a quick video to show you guys some new tools that I got. 3 new tools. I was just going to make this video about the 2 new tools that I got, then I remembered I bought this. This is a little bit late. I just got this from Lowe's. These came out probably last year or so, but I never got a chance to get one. So I'm happy to finally get one. I was basically just saving up money to become debt free. So I was just putting off all extra expenses until I had extra cash. So now's that time. So I finally just picked these up. So these were about $39.98, about $40. And these are the Freedom series with the big eagle and American flag with the black handles. No glitter in these, but these are cool. So figure I'd finally add these to the collection. Have to find some space on the wall. And then I already went ahead and opened these because I was super crazy and forgot to make a video because it's been so long. But anyways, these are the this is the 8-in-1 impact flip socket set, and this is the metric set, the 8-in-1. So you have your size 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17, as you can see here. And I haven't even taken these off yet, but it's the same idea as the other ones, which are the, I forget the names, but you got the metric and you got the imperial or standard, whatever you want to call them. But it's the same idea. You got your 1/4 inch on the other ones, and then it goes up to the 9/16. But these are just the metric ones. So you just pull these apart and you can arrange them in any order that you want. It's a little stiff right now because it's brand new, but you can go ahead and pull those off and switch that up to the top and then put these back on through the bottom or whatnot. So very, very cool. And basically just going to leave these in the car, whatever, in case I ever need to work on anything or anything like that. Just kind of keep these on the daily setup. I might throw up another what's in my tool bag video, but not for the tool bag, but for my just tools that I leave in the car. And then maybe a backpack video, but I don't really use the backpack that much, but I do use the Jonar Tools rolling backpack that I leave in my car, kind of just in case an emergency happens or anything like that. So I'm going to definitely throw these in there, because these are more for like cars and stuff like that with the metric. All the other ones are, the other set is basically for electrical work or whatever you want to use it for. And then lastly, the other tool that I got was the Slim Profile mini ratchet right here. And I recognize Steven had this a long time ago, and a few scenarios came up where I wish I really had this and I didn't. So I finally pulled the trigger and got this. I think this was like maybe $20. The number on this is 65,200. The number on the 8-in-1 metric impact flip socket is 32934M. But anyways, I got this on Amazon, and I got this from Lowe's. Hopefully you guys can see everything that I'm pointing at here. But on this, you have your 2 Phillips, number 1 and number 2, your slotted 3/16 and a 1/4 inch. And you have the 6mm 1/4 inch, basically a socket adapter, and then the 1/4 inch right there. That's just going to be the 1/4 inch like nut driver, and the 5/16. So those are pretty much just the front and the back. But then you have this little adapter right here in case you want to do anything with that. Kind of just put that in the back right there if you want to put it like a socket on there or something, which is not included. But you have the number 1, number 2, and the slotted 3/16 and a 1/4. So basically, if you're in a really tight spot, you can go ahead and just throw these on, and then you can just use this as a ratchet to, if you have like an object right here and you can't fit a screwdriver in there, you just slide this in there and then just ratchet your screw, whatever. You can put your finger there or whatever, however you want to do it. I haven't used it yet, but I'm assuming that's how it goes. So anyways, just ratchet there and get into super tight spots. So can't wait to use this when I need it. It's going to be very, very beneficial. Also, I have no idea how to get these out because it's brand new and tight and I haven't used it. And that is a magnet for something, but your bits go in this side over here on the small side. So yeah, those are my first thoughts on this. And I can't wait to use these and throw them into the rolling tool bag in the car. I'm going to keep these ones on me in the daily setup. So if you guys want to see the daily setup or emergency setup in the car, the EDC car EDC, then let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about that. But I'll probably just do that anyways in the near future, whenever that may be. So anyways, those are my 3 new tools. The mini ratchet, the 8-in-1 metric, flip socket, and then the Freedom Series lineman from Lowe's. And I don't know if they sell them anywhere else, but you can order them on Lowe's.com. But I just finally checked like a second or third store and they were finally there, so I was happy about that. But those are my 3 new tools. Let me know what you guys think about in the comments below. I'm excited. And I think that's all the tools that I got for now. I'm still looking for a few other missing linemans and stuff like that I am in need of, but the hunt continues. And thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Hopefully you guys are crushing it. See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.